You can order the air filter used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull the hood release handle and open the hood. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Unclip the 4 holding latches on the airbox cover. Pull out the flange. Take out the air filter. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Before putting a new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. You can order the air filter used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take the new filter. You can now put the new filter in place. To put the flange in, incline it so that the interlocking studs go in first. Finally, lock the flange with the 4 latches. Operation complete.